Hello, hello everyone. This is Irene with SaugaTalks today. Again, I am talking weekly with fascinating people in tech. And I talk about fascinating topics and I talk about fascinating applications of technology in our everyday lives, in our work, in our entertainment and leisure time. So we're basically in a very cool age of Industry 4.0, where every day we learn something new and exciting. And today, here with me is Ken Herron. He is the Chief Marketing Officer for UIB, the company where he heads the teams, where he helps humans interact and communicate with machines better, and sometimes maybe machines replying back to humans and other machines. Welcome, Ken. How are you today?
Thank you. Thrilled to be here.
Wonderful, wonderful. The topic today, we will be talking about amazing conversational AI technology. I did talk to many interesting people so far, and AI is everywhere. It's in every gadget, it's in every application we're using, either we're realizing it or not. So conversational AI, it's a big area, and its developments there are so exciting to date. Ken, I would like you to spell out for many people. We know chatbot, we know virtual assistants. Please spell for us simply conversational AI. What are we talking about here?
Think of conversational AI as the technology that powers chatbots and virtual assistants and conversational solutions. It was not that long ago when we wanted to talk to a machine, talk to a device, we as the humans had to learn the machine's language. Conversational AI flips that completely, that now the machines have gotten smart enough is that they can understand human languages. So whether I am speaking or texting, I'm actually messaging a connected device, it can now understand that through natural language processing. It can understand that through the AI and know what it is I'm saying. It can also then communicate back with me in the form of alerts, notifications, so that I can converse with a machine, my washing machine, my refrigerator, my lights, my locks, just as we are talking, that it can understand what I'm saying. And if it doesn't, it can ask questions to clarify and then act upon the information I'm giving it as the authorized user.
Absolutely. But most exciting in the whole thing that it understands context now, right?
Yes, it can understand context and it can even understand sentiment, depending on the natural language engine that you're using. It can understand if you're happy, sad, frustrated, which is, of course, wonderful for customer service applications, that you can know right off the bat if someone is starting to get irritated or starting to get frustrated and move them either over to a live agent or give them a little special attention.
Fantastic. You know what? From technology standpoint, I read all these predictions for 2021, and conversational AI is the left and right in all the AI predictions and all the IoT predictions. Can you again clarify for us? What are we talking about? Yeah.
Yeah, and really, artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things, they are becoming really joined at the hip. You can almost think of them as two sides of the same coin, that any connected device, what we call a smart or an IoT device, is now using artificial intelligence specifically to enable people to control it and for it to talk back to them, whether it's in an industrial business application, whether it's in a smart home type of environment, or it is in the form of a chatbot where I'm asking for information and then I'm getting the information back, sometimes with documents and videos.